The boat has left for Gili Island.
And then now?
Last boat was at 12.
What?
Yeah.
And now?
I told you to get up early.
Now what?
Now nothing. Now tomorrow we have to go. First give him the money. We'll see.
Yeah, where are you from?
India.
India, namaste. Shukriya, chalo, kabhi kushi kabhi gum, kaisi gohe.
He said whatever he knew in Hindi.
Are you YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh.
I cannot stay here. So I booked another hotel which is in the city center. At least we'll get something to eat.
It's so big.
Yes, the coconut is bigger than my face.
Sorry, I'm smoking, okay?
Smoke?
Yeah,
Yes, smoke. It's injurious to your health.
No.
I just wanted to ask you something. For Gili Island,
Yes.
I have to go to Sarangan port, right?
Sanur.
Sanur or Sarangan?
Sanur Harbor.
Sanur, not Sarangan. Sarangan?
Serangan? No.
No, Sanur.
Sanur Padang Bay.
Okay, Padang Bay is too far.
Yeah, Padang Bay. Sanur Harbor.
Sanur, alright, thank you. Oh, I have to go to Sanur, not Sarangan. Alright, good afternoon my lovely people. It's day 3 in Bali. I'm heading to Gili Island. I have to book a what do you say, bike to Sanur. Sanur Harbour. Yes, it's here. Choose this pickup point. You choose 47. Alright, book. Looking for a ride. Alright, it's 50 minutes if I'm not wrong. Yes, approximately an hour from here to go to the harbor. From there we'll be taking a speedboat to Gili Island. I'm just waiting for Priyanka actually. Okay, let's see. I'm going there now. Okay. Where is he? Okay, he's coming. Let's just wait for Priyanka. You hold this for me
Yeah?
and this also.
Okay. The video?
Like this.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Alright, safety first. Someone calling me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka. तो जॉन हार्डी के बाद सामने है ना?
जहाँ पे अपन क्रोज़ो खाए थे ना कल?
हाँ हाँ उधर उधर ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
हाँ उसके सामने है वही.
Okay, okay. Let's go. The bike is here. Let's go. What's your name?
My name is Indra.
Indra. Indra will be taking me to Sanur port. It is ideal to book a bike than a car because there's a lot of traffic in the city. This looks like the old side of Bali. The buildings are pretty old here. police station, imagine. So aesthetic. All right, I've arrived. Thank you so much. Let's go to Sanur Harbour. I need to walk.
You book already for the ferry?
No.
Are you going to Penida or Lembongan?
Sorry?
Where are you going to? Nusa Penida or Lembongan?
No, I'm going to Gili.
Gili. Gili already done from here. Yeah, the last boat is at 12 o'clock from here.
Huh? Oh,
Yeah, maybe.
How many you are?
2 of us.
Maybe tomorrow. You go tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, now it's already late. Yeah.
Oh, and Nusa?
Yeah, Nusa. From here, Nusa is okay.
From Nusa I can go to Gili?
Yeah, tomorrow. But tomorrow. And then you have to overnight in Nusa Penida.
And then
Tomorrow you go.
okay, you go to the office.
Let's see. Let my friend come. Because of her I'm late. I was supposed to come here by 11.
Okay. How many person of you?
Two.
Two. Yeah, you went your friend.
You're from which company?
I'm the tourist information. I just give you information. Yeah.
Okay. Where is the ticket counter?
Ticket counter. Jordan.
Oh, dia tak ada.
We have, yeah.
Ticket. Not there?
Pada Gili.
Okay.
Pada Gili, office is in front.
Okay. He's saying the last boat leaves at what time?
At 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yeah, going to Gili, yeah. Going to Gili. Going to Nusa Penida, we have 3:30
Last.
last.
And for Gili it's 12.
Yeah.
Okay, 12 o'clock the last boat leaves for Gili and 3 o'clock for Nusa.
3:30 Nusa Penida.
Let Priyanka come and we'll decide accordingly.
Yeah, YouTuber.
Yeah, YouTuber.
Where you from?
India.
India.
One of the disadvantages of traveling with someone. I got late.
Yeah.
I was supposed to come here by 10:11. That's okay. Let's wait for her. Sometimes you have to compromise or adjust. Come, Baba, come. We are getting late. The boat has left for Gili Island.
And then now.
Last boat was at 12.
What?
Yeah.
And now?
I told you to get up early.
Now what?
Now nothing. Now tomorrow we have to go. First give him the money. We'll see.
तो वापस जाएगा.
No. We'll go to Nusa.
For 2 people, you check only one way.
One way.
Yeah, just 300,000.
Okay, 300,000 Indonesian rupiah for 2 people to Nusa Penida. So the plan has changed because of course I'm late. We are late. So we are going to Nusa first and then tomorrow I'll go to Gili.
Halo Bide. Lagi 2 bisa kan? Bisa check in di pelabuhan Bide.
It's a speedboat. So I'm at Sanur Port. From Sanur Port, you can take a speedboat to Gili Island and Nusa Penida. For Gili Island, the last speedboat is at 12, and for Nusa Penida, the last boat leaves at 3. We'll be paying by card.
If you payment by card, there is extra charge 3% more for the bank tax.
Okay.
Yeah. May I know your name is?
Priya.
Sorry?
Priya.
Priya.
Yes. Okay. I'll just take a bottle of water.
No.
This is the harbour entrance. This looks like some dragon.
This your boat and boarding pass, you can here, yeah?
All right.
The name your boat Idola. This one. The name your boat. Idola. Okay.
Idola Express. Okay,
Yeah.
it will come here.
Yeah, chicken here.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Hi. Stand here. Okay. Oh, we have to scan? Thank you. Thank you. The speedboat is right there. The name of the company is Idola Express. This is the Sanur Port. It looks beautiful. It's a 40 minutes ride, boat ride from Sanur Port to Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida Island.
Lagi sekali tu, oh, udah.
I'll sit here. Thank you. This is how the boat looks like. Finally, the speedboat has started. Hi, my bag. My bag.
Halo sayang. Wait. Hello.
This one. Yes, yes. The grey one. All right, I've arrived in Nusa. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Very friendly people here.
Where are you going, miss?
This is a slope.
Taxi, yeah? From hotel.
Careful.
Yeah, where are you going?
Going
Going.
Yes,
Where are you going?
going to the hotel.
Where are you going?
To the hotel.
Yeah, what name your hotel?
I'll just see. I don't know.
Yeah. Hello, welcome Nusa Penida Island. I'm Goblek in Nusa Penida.
What do you do here?
I'm working with the driver. I'm driver here, Nusa Penida original, yeah.
Oh.
100% local people.
Okay. Do you give good price to them?
Yes, sir.
Special price?
Yes, of course.
Tourist price?
Tourist price.
You give them?
Yeah, I don't know your hotel. Keep it. You can ask to be look your hotel. How many person of you? And thinking about your negotiate, I will do for you.
You will negotiate.
Of course. Don't worry.
Gojek and Grab works here?
Not work here. Only local taxi. This is island in Bali, different city.
Okay.
Many lot of expensive petrol, expensive eat, expensive cost to money, everything.
All right.
Yeah. Where are you from?
India.
India. Namaste. Shukriya. Chalo. Kabhi kushi kabhi gum. Kaisi gohe.
He said whatever he knew in Hindi.
Are you YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, thank you very much. You was Indian people is coming Nusa Penida. You rap my WhatsApp number. Goblek. My name is Goblek. You rap number +628238614061. My number.
Only if you give them non-touristy price.
Yes, of course. Don't worry. You friend to me, I friend to you. No worries. Mati si cukup cah sini. Okay.
But don't cheat, okay?
Make it deal. You win 250. I am win 450.
Hey, no, wrong.
I win 150 if you win 250. Okay?
No.
Hey,
Yeah, okay. But
Stone.
3 times or 1 time?
Make it 3 times.
Okay. Stone, card, and paper.
All right. Stone. This is stone,
paper.
This is scissor, and this is paper.
Yeah.
Okay? Stone, paper, scissor.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, make it
1,
for
2,
me.
3. Yeah.
Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor.
You won.
No.
Okay, 1, 2
It was a
more.
paper.
I'm 2 more, you 3 more. Yeah.
He won, no?
Okay.
Stone, paper, scissor.
Ah.
Oh my god. We'll have to pay him to me.
One more.
One more is left. Wait now. You.
So any which is you're winning.
One more.
Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor.
Oh, this.
I lose.
Paper निकाला ना.
All right, now I have to pay him 250.
Okay, yeah.
So we are going in 250, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Chalo.
We will give
All
us
right.
on the way discount.
Okay.
All right, we pay him what we agreed. All right, nice
bye-bye.
meeting you. Bye. I'll see you after 2 days.
Okay.
Oh my God, very hot, yeah?
It's very hot.
Yeah.
What's the temperature like?
Hey.
30 degrees. 25 minutes from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Name hotel. What name
मेरे
hotel?
It's the Sea View Suite, Sampalan.
Sampalan, yes, I know Sampalan.
I'll show you.
मेरे sea view sea pen.
This is the guest house.
Yeah,
Booking?
cancel.
Cancel?
It's okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Yay!
My god, this is crazy. I cannot stay here. So I booked another hotel which is in the city center. At least we'll get something to eat.
No,
And
sorry.
yeah, so I've asked him to drop me at the city center. He'll be charging me 100 more now. I mean 1 lakh Indonesian currency more. Wow.
Why?
I
Why?
should have booked.
No, stay here.
No, it's inside, very inside. Don't you think? How will I come at night? There's no restaurant, no cafe. She doesn't know to
Yeah.
ride a bike.
No restaurant, no cafe.
Where is it? Where is it? I can't see.
This cafe.
No, that is.
Oh, danger. Dangerous place. Oh my God.
Even he's not able to drive the car here. Hey. I'm scared.
Scary.
Drive. A little tired, so I've stopped by at this place to have coconuts. Green water.
Yeah, what?
This one.
Apa bahasa ini? Pengertian. Two.
2.
Yeah.
50, right?
Yes.
50,000.
52 mau ya?
Yeah. 50,000 for 2.
Ya, for two.
तुझे क्या लगा भाग गया?
तूने बोला गाड़ी है, मैं ऐसे देखी चल 5 भाग है, मैं भाग नहीं, क्या करूं? क्या करूं?
Wait.
She got shit scared when I told her that the car is moving. She started running behind the car. So actually he was parking the car right there. And we had bags inside the car, and I don't know who to trust and who not to trust here. What is this offering?
Tapai, tapai.
Manis.
What is manis?
I don't know. Sugar, sugar.
No sugar.
Balik.
Sweet. This way. Ah. No. Thank you.
Vegetarian?
Huh?
Vegetarian? Okay. I don't know what that is. Huh?
आजा फ्रंट कैमरा ये देख मुंह से भी बड़ा है It's so big.
Yes, the coconut is bigger than my
Sorry,
face.
sorry. I'm smoking, okay?
Smoke?
Yeah,
Yes, smoke. It's injurious to your health.
No, you.
No, me. No smoking.
I okay? I smoke, yeah.
You smoke.
Okay, and for your information, we do laundry service here.
This is beautiful. This is my bed, and it is spacious than what I have seen before or where I have stayed before. There's a socket right there. You can keep your stuff right here. I think that's for the light. Yes. And we get pillow, one towel, blanket, and I don't know what is this. This is a locker for me. And the bathroom is really good. It's very spacious. There are plants inside the bathroom. And this is the mirror. I want to show you the view from just look at the view from here. That's the sea. Beach is just a kilometer walk from here. I'm super happy, and I'm just paying 2,40,000 Indonesian currency. That is around $10-12 if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure, for 2 nights. And it's a female dormitory, 8 beds, and mine is the one which I showed you. I mean, better than what I saw there up in the hill, where there are no restaurant, cafe around. A lot of places around here to have food, but they've got in-house restaurant as well over here, which is right here. And you can pay using card. They don't accept cash. While booking, you can pay by cash, but if you want to eat something in the restaurant, it's a cashless payment method. I'm so happy to look at this. Alright, let me quickly get ready and then we head out.